This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to plug in your external speakers on your Windows PC. So you can see I have it right here. These are like $40 Logitech speakers. But I'm just going to turn it on so I know it's powered on and there's some audio coming through here. But if you turn it around, you're going to have a power cable going to the wall outlet. This left speaker is connected to my first speaker. And then there's a third cable here that is connected to my computer. And I'll show you where that connects. So you could connect it in theory to the front here. You could try connecting it where the headphones is located. So we could try getting audio there. But we need to bring this to the back of our computer. So don't hurt yourself if you got one of these old desktops. I'm getting too old for this. But go around the back of the computer here. And you can see there's 3 little circles with colors. So you want to plug yours into the center one that's like green. So this will be for the speaker. And this will allow you to get audio. So this comes exactly from my speaker. That's that third cable. Plug it right in there. You might hear the computer speakers like buzzing or something like that. So if that middle one doesn't work, that's like labeled green, try a different one. Try the violet one or try like the reddish pink one. And then we can go around to the front of the computer, and there's some output settings we need to switch. And make sure your cable management's good. Mine is terrible. But once we get to the back to the computer, if you look in the bottom right of your computer, there's this little audio option. Select this and go to audio output. And then switch over your audio output to your speakers now. And just try each one of these. Maybe the first one you pick doesn't work. And then make sure your computer, the speakers are turned up in the settings too. So go to settings here, go to system, and then go to sound. Now choose your speakers under here, switch it, play some music in the background like on YouTube or something like that. Make sure the audio is up high enough so you can hear it. And then it should work. And then make sure the audio is high enough on your speakers too. And then you should be good to go once you have it plugged in. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.